What's going on, everyone? A little bit of a living room session, teaching session today. Gonna be teaching you guys, gonna be expanding what on the previous video I shared with you guys on the stomach. Now we're gonna go into a stomach half split, and I'm also gonna teach you how to get down into it so you're not just on the floor. So let's get started. All right, so last week we worked on the move stomach. We're gonna briefly go over the stomach. That's that dinner. Over the stomach, very easy transition into a half split. Okay, it's a good way of changing direction when you're breaking or when, as you're dancing. Okay, so I'm just gonna move my son's toys out of the way. I'm just gonna put it on the couch. Hopefully that's not too distracting for you guys. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna kick it. I'm just gonna do one round of the stomach. Okay, what it looks like is this. Okay, here, and that's it. Cool. If you remember last week, if you watched it, you're going from one hip riding onto your stomach. So let's get onto it. Quickly reviewing it, the technique. Then I'm actually going to show you guys the get down into it. Okay. So let's do the technique first. Let's go over it. So I'm having my right foot out. You're gonna have your left foot out if you want, depending on your choice. This is a freestyle, not choreography. From here, you're gonna go onto your hip. Okay. Then stomach. Okay, so notice how my back foot here is almost like I'm doing this one of these back stretches. Then you're gonna do a switch, and you're on the other side. Okay, that's essentially what it is. Okay, it's gonna be an awkward thing, but you're gonna have this kind of motion as you go through. Okay, so it's like a dying mermaid or something. Okay, here, switch. As soon as you hit that hip, you're gonna push off the right with both your hands. Left foot or right foot, depending on where you're at. Okay, super plyometric move, explode, and into this position, and you repeat the process. Okay, that's the stomach. All right, so now let's add the half split. Super easy addition to it. Okay, just make sure that you're warmed up a little bit, you know, to do this. If you're not comfortable with this, that's a kind of a prerequisite. Make sure you're warmed up, meaning bring this back, get a nice little stretch here, 30 seconds, not that long. Okay, same thing on this side. Stretch, reach. Okay, I have pretty big quads and calves, so flexibility can sometimes be one of my challenges. Do that warm up. So if you've never done a half split before, because I don't want you to go into that half split feeling like your knees feeling weird or might pop. I want to make sure you guys are doing this move safe, because you know, as you practice this, you're involving jumping momentum, plyometric moves, and catching yourself into your stomach. And if you're not doing it right, you can fall on your stomach, and if you're not used to the half split, you can hurt your knee. So safety is super important here. Okay, so from here we're gonna walk through the stomach. Okay, hip, stomach. Now you're gonna jump up, push up, boom, catch. I do it like this weird thing to try to pose in the middle of the air if I have a lot of hang time and space, kind of limited here. From here, make sure this left foot is up, like you're getting ready for this kind of stretch. Okay, here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna see this kind of arch between your right foot or this kind of loop or arch, right and right foot. From there, you're gonna sweep this under, okay, and half split. Okay, and there you go. So I'm gonna face this way so you guys can see me. I'm gonna try to do a very minimal travel stomach into a half split so you guys can see what's going on. Okay, so from here, boom, hit. Okay, from here, shooting it through. As you can see, it's shooting through. Here, half split. And the thing with the half split is there's no perfect form for you guys to have to do it perfectly. Just boom, round dirty, then get into your next move. Cool? So let's break it down into counts, because I know that's how some of you guys work. I'm gonna go this way, and probably this way, because I have no room to have a back camera. And honestly, I kind of like the space, so it kind of saves me money on the studio. I'm just being real with you guys. And it kind of shows that you don't need a whole lot of space to really practice unless you're doing power moves. Okay, so let's go for it. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm guessing that's the counts. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4, 4, sweep 5, 6. Cool? So the counts are arbitrary. Just aim to be on beat. Okay, so again, 5, 6. Oh, am I doing the right way? Yeah. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. Now I'm gonna do it this way. Okay, you can do it either way. Ideally, you want to be able to do both sides, but I want to show you dominant side, so you know I don't look whack. All right, so 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. Well, all you gotta do is start doing it fast. Obviously, I recommend, if you watched my previous video in my practice methods, technique. I think practicing your technique first is super important, along with the music. I'm all for creative self-expression, but if you're not doing it safely, then you're putting yourself at risk. Now let's go from standing, actually. Okay, what's gonna help with this particular get down is if you know how to do a pistol, or at least a seated pistol. Okay, because this is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna come from here. I generally go like I'm melting, like that. Here, I kick, extend, I'm melting down, and I'm like coming down, and I'm ready to catch. Okay, so no particular name for that. I just like do a kick out, okay, as I'm coming down, catch, boom, ba, ba. Cool. From the get down, we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay, that's my marking made sense. Hopefully it did. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Cool. That's what it would look like from the get down. So to show you guys how you can build strength to that, if that feels really weird to you, okay, one stretch you can do that I've been doing because it helps my hips and my back is this stretch, because I'm not the most flexible. So it kind of strengthens your back. That's one example. The other one is pistol, seated pistols or full-on pistols. I don't know if I can do it right now, my legs are jello. But pistols are this, one-footed squats. Okay, or you can do it, I'm gonna do the other side because I want to keep it even, from the sit and then up. Okay, so those are a couple exercises to help supplement building strength for that move. Okay, and obviously doing this helps that as well. Okay. All right, so let's do the move. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay, so here's the tempo ultimately that you guys want to do. Okay, you're coming from your top rocks. Ba, 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 boom, boom, ba. Cool. So, all right, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to hit like, subscribe, share this with friends who you think might benefit from it, and make sure to hit the bell button so you guys can get notifications of whenever a new video comes out. And if you guys are serious about, really learning how to break and are tired of trying to look for these tutorials here and there, or you're tired, or you're not sure if you're strong enough to do this or flexible enough to do this, or even if you have any rhythm, I have a step-by-step course that you guys can take that not only teaches you basic strength training and stretching and moves and dance floor confidence, so you can actually perform this in front of people. It's a whole step-by-step course, week by week, day by day, new moves every single day for you guys to practice. All you got to do is, check it out, enroll, links down below, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.